The electromagnetic spectrum is a continuous spectrum of waves, from very short waves at one end to very long waves at the other. Visible light is just a tiny part of it, with a wavelength of between 400 and 700 nanometers. Infrared radiation has a longer wavelength than visible light. It has a wavelength of about a millimetre. Further along the spectrum, the wavelength increases to about 1 centimetre. This is called microwave radiation. Like all electromagnetic waves, microwaves carry energy. This energy is absorbed by molecules in food and water, so can be used for heating and cooking. Microwaves with a different wavelength are used for carrying information through the air. The output from this CD player is converted into a signal. A series of microwaves then carries the information from the transmitter on the left to the receiver on the right. A hand is enough to block the waves, as is a sheet of metal. But just like light waves, microwaves pass through glass. Microwaves are transmitted across country or relayed via satellite. Many TV and telephone signals are sent in this way, but the wavelengths used are different from those which heat up food. Beyond microwaves are radio waves. These have the longest wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum and carry the least energy. Typical wavelengths lie in the range of 100 to 2,000 metres. Radio waves are emitted from aerials in all directions, but because they carry so little energy, they're virtually harmless.